Hey there, let's dive into this explainer and see how you can literally bypass banks to grab land today.
Imagine scoring real estate right now, no credit checks, and yep, just a single buck down. Crazy, right?
See, traditional banks use that pesky 3-digit credit score like a giant padlock on your dreams.
But there's a workaround. Owner financing. Here, the seller is the bank. It's a total game changer.
Why? The land itself is the collateral. That completely shifts the risk away from your financial past.
So getting in is super easy. Just pick your parcel, cover the document fee, and drop that down payment. And get this, that initial down payment, it can literally be just $1 single.
You get instant approval, no hard credit pulls, no waiting weeks, and absolutely none of that traditional bank stress.
Oh, and you can totally skip those invasive employer checks, W-2s, and endless mountains of loan paperwork.
Once you sign, the land is yours to use immediately. Make those fixed payments, and you get the deed.
Waiting to fix your credit just costs you more. Lock in today's prices right now and start building equity.
So seriously, why wait for some banker's permission? Go ahead and start building your legacy today.